Welcome to GadgetsPrimer.com, where we turn your kitchen into a playground for culinary wizards. Did you know the average household wastes 163 pounds of food annually? Yikes! Today, we're spilling the beans on 5 genius gadgets that'll save your groceries and your sanity. All links are below, so let's dive in before your fridge starts judging you. First up, the Ninja MC1010 Foodi PossibleCooker Plus. This 6-in-1 multitasker replaces 12 appliances. Yes, even your Dutch oven's existential crisis. Sear, sauté, or sous vide like a pro, then toss it in the oven for that crispy finish. With a 4.7 GadgetsPrimer.com rating, it's basically the Swiss Army knife of kitchens. Bonus, the lid's built-in spoon rest means no more mystery countertop utensils. Next, the air fryer cheat sheet magnets. Rated 4.6 by GadgetsPrimer.com, this fridge magnet is your secret weapon against Google's air fryer recipes rabbit hole. It's got 120 foolproof timings, perfect for when you're trying to cook steak, not charcoal. Pro tip, slap this on your fridge before your mother-in-law questions your life choices again. Speaking of freshness, meet Shelfy, the fridge's personal bodyguard. This IoT device fights odors and extends food life up to 12 days. Rated 3.9, it's like a Fitbit for your broccoli, tracking fridge door openings and syncing data to your phone. Because nothing says adulting like optimizing lettuce longevity. Now, let's organize the chaos with 10-pack refrigerator pantry bins. These 4.4 rated clear containers turn your fridge into a Tetris championship. Stack them, drain them, and actually find your carrots before they turn to sludge. Warning, may cause sudden urges to alphabetize your condiments. Last, the smarter FridgeCam. Rated 2.2, it's the underdog here. This camera snaps fridge selfies and auto-adds milk to your shopping list via AI. Sure, it might confuse celery with cilantro, but imagine never forgetting hummus again. Just don't blame us when it catches you midnight snacking. Hungry for more? Visit GadgetsPrimer.com to compare prices and discover top-rated kitchen magic. Smash that subscribe button so you never miss a gadget that'll make your microwave jealous. Until next time, keep cooking, keep laughing, and for heaven's sake, check your expiration dates.